There are two things in common between Chef Irfan and me. One, we both love chaat, which is why we're at this show. And two, our Hindi would not make Gulzar proud. So we are going to be learning both today, a little bit of chaat and a little bit of Hindi. Let me call him in. Hello, Irfan.
Hi Sonal, how are you?
I am good. Welcome to my kitchen.
Thank you. Nice
Do you like
kitchen.
it?
Very nice.
Okay, what are we doing today?
I think we're doing a cone chaat with
You're
paneer
right.
and with
You're
lots
right.
of falana.
You're right. So, since I have picked this recipe for this episode, I want to know what is your chaat vibe, because I don't know what kind of chaat do you tilt towards.
I like any chaat.
See, I said we
any-
both love chaat.
Any chaat it works for me.
Okay.
From all over India.
Okay.
The dahi batata puri is one of my favorites, but all the fried stuff, which I try to stay away from, is very tough to do. But you can't not have fried chaat.
You know, the way you said dahi batata puri, it tells me that we have a lot to learn when it comes to Hindi pronunciation, both you and I. So let's see how that goes.
I'm gonna teach you Hindi today.
And I'm going to teach you this cone chaat.
Okay, done.
Let's get started. I'm going to start with the first filling of this cone chaat. My recipe, chef, just has plain paneer, which is going to be sauteed in some salt and pepper, because there's a lot of things coming on top. But do you suggest we do anything else?
I think you should put some garlic. I
Wow.
think we should do some sauf. And so what we do is we'll roast the sauf and then crush it.
Right.
A little bit of tamarind chutney, because sauf just will add that zing to it, which is
Okay,
so necessary.
can you say the same thing in Hindi now?
Yeah. लहसुन और ये इमली का चटनी और सौंफ.
Oh, not
लेकिन-
imli pani. सीधा इमली चटनी only होंगे.
या तो उसमें थोड़ा मीठा भी होएगा और अपना वो फिर टेंशन नहीं है. हाँ.
देखते हैं कैसा होएगा.
हाँ देखो ना, तेल डाला ना,
जी.
ये लो गार्लिक. हाँ थोड़ा बस. और थोड़ा इसको.
सॉटे करो.
हाँ वो कच्चा फ्लेवर नहीं चाहिए इसमें.
ओके, नहीं होएगा शेफ.
हाँ.
कच्चा फ्लेवर नहीं होएगा.
कितना अच्छा खुशबू है इसका.
नॉट बैड. नॉट बैड. फिर अभी तो इसको जीरे की तरह नीचे. व्हाट इफ वी पुट इट टू तड़का?
No tadka, because we've already toasted this.
Okay.
So you want to add it just on the top.
Just for a little
Yeah,
flavor
that's it.
and little like crunch.
Yeah, that's all. और पनीर को भी थोड़ा सा सॉटे करेगा ये होने के बाद.
ओके शेफ करेगा.
हाँ अभी देखो इतना.
बहुत अच्छा खुशबू आ रहा है.
वेरी नाइस.
सौंफ दे दो.
सौंफ. अच्छा चलो ठीक है.
एंड में डालना है.
मेरे को एंड में डालना है, लेकिन
ठीक है,
अभी
ठीक है.
आपको अभी डालना है तो.
नहीं ठीक है. मुझे लगा कि वी पुट इट इन लिटिल बिट ऑफ ऑयल देन इट जस्ट.
Okay, चलो done. We'll do little bit just now and then we'll do little bit later.
Finish with it again. Do you prefer to put your garam masala in the tadka, or do you put it in the end when you
So
do
I
recipe?
do it once before and I do once at the
That's
end
a great
also.
tip. But but I've heard a lot of chefs just put it as like the finisher.
Yeah, no, I don't. I think so. Each garam masala is very different. So it totally depends on the sort of garam masala you get, and sometimes you don't like that flavor, the kacha flavor of the
Of the
garam
masala.
masala, and so
Fair enough.
I don't personally. A lot of people do, so I like putting it into the. See now that's thing. I'm just going to use half of this.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah. It's got a nice garlicky flavor, little soft. It doesn't need too much of
Yeah, I
sauteing.
think this is much better
Yeah.
than my
Salt and pepper. Yeah, this is
For
it.
sure.
Just gives it. You get the, because you're anyway going to be using the chutney in when you were making the chaat.
Right.
So why not incorporate it in your paneer
Fair enough.
itself? Yeah. You can add this now.
How much?
About a tablespoon. Because you're going to use more later, right? Yeah. Maybe a
Nice,
little more.
nice.
Yeah, little more. Bas. I'm going to sprinkle thoda sa or saunf.
You can feel this vibe.
I'm telling you, it tastes so good. Saunf is just so amazing.
Season it.
Yeah, please.
You know, not a lot of people know this about you, but you grew up in Philippines.
I did, yeah.
And you do have like a deep love for South Asian food, right?
Yeah.
Is there any similarity you find between food from there and food from here?
Not at all. But
Okay.
you will get some ingredients from Goa which are very similar to the ingredients. So there's something called bimli, which is this real sour thing.
Green coloured
yes,
vegetable.
Correct. And we used to be called kamyas in the Philippines. And so Goa is the only place where I've actually found that. And it's really nice because it's used as a souring agent for your food
Nice.
also. And you
Nice.
can eat it kacha.
What about chow chow? Did they eat that in Philippines?
I think they did.
That?
Yeah, they did.
Because
they
that's
did.
what I find in Southeast Asia,
Yeah,
and I
yeah,
find that
yeah.
a lot
Yeah,
even
in,
certain parts of India. What kind of Southeast Asian food do you like?
So I like all sorts of Southeast
This
Asian
can't be your
food.
answer for everything. I like all sorts of chaat, all sorts of Southeast Asian food, all kinds of European food.
Now what to do? I'm a very simple guy.
Simple, no. You want to have it all.
No. But the food in the Philippines is very different. It's very bland. They use a lot of soy sauce. They eat a lot of fish. They don't have too many gravies. So you can even eat plain fried fish with plain boiled rice.
Nice.
With a little soy
sauce.
And you don't even need any sort of gravy with
It, right.
yeah.
I think this is done. We'll transfer it. You don't need this to be a little like crusty or anything, right?
If it happens, it's fine. There's texture works so well with, especially with the chaat that we're doing,
Makes
because
it.
everything is all about texture. You know,
Okay,
the
so
chana,
then this is
yeah,
just done?
perfect.
Okay. Do you want to add like any herb to it or all, or we
No,
just
this
go
is
for
perfect.
Okay, let's go and plate this then.
Okay.
Not plate it, but assemble our chaat.
Assemble it, yeah.
Well, my recipe had plain mayo going into the cone, but Irfan has another twist to it. So what are you adding?
Tandoori masala.
Okay, so before we get any brickbats for putting mayo in chaat, tell me why have you chosen mayo?
So I think it's fine. First of all, in India today, most of the mayonnaise you get is eggless.
Right.
So to put it into a chaat, you don't have to worry about it becoming non-vegetarian.
Right.
Second is it just one mayonnaise texture is very nice, and it becomes the minute you layer the cone, you can sprinkle anything you want to, and it will stick. So each bite that you take of the cone has flavor.
Like that, also that texture.
Yeah, and the texture.
And I feel like if sandwich is Indian street side food and that has mayo, why can't chaat have?
Yeah, exactly.
Right?
You know, and we're not putting.
It's
like,
just that little
yeah,
edge.
it's just that little bit.
Okay, so tell me, what do we have to do?
Nothing. Thoda sa tandoori masala.
Okay, the one that you use in meat marination.
Yeah, correct. And
Nice.
so that's what you put in. Thoda namak, thoda
ले लीजिए.
kala miri,
ले
और
लीजिए. तंदूरी मसाला हिंदी में कैसे बोलेंगे?
मसाला तंदूर के लिए. अभी उसमें और कितना एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए? थोड़ा सा
कोशिश भी नहीं की आपने तो. नमक डाल दूं?
हाँ, नमक डाल दो.
Why is your Hindi so bad?
I didn't learn Hindi formally. Put a little more of
Actually, I
this.
shouldn't say why is your Hindi so bad. Why is
it
your
so
Hindi so
good?
funny?
You know, so growing up in the Philippines, I didn't learn Hindi formally. So all the Hindi I've had to learn was when we came back. And so it's been...
You must be really lost when you came in the kitchen.
Oh, very bad, very bad.
Which kitchen was this?
The first kitchen I ever worked in was under the over.
Okay.
So the best way to get your point across was to use language which I can't use here, obviously, but that's what you...
I think that's what even Alex must have felt, na, in his kitchen.
I think so.
But he's also picked up some Hindi words now.
Yeah, and we don't want to mention what words he's picked up, but that's it, and we're done. It's just so simple, and it just gives it, you know, that nice tandoori twang in
And
the
I
whole...
think on the streets they would have also added little red color, edible
I think
color.
they would add red color. I think they'd add chaat masala, but we're adding that anyway, so we don't want to put it into
Okay,
this.
fair enough. Done?
Done.
We're on to the assembling part of this chaat now, and while it may look like we're going to dump everything in these cones, it's not like that. There is technique, so watch us closely. Irfan,
Yep,
start?
correct. Start.
Okay. What do I have to do first? So my trick was, I just don't want to sprinkle this save right on top.
Yeah.
I want to do what you would do with a waffle cone, ice cream, and like sprinklers.
Sprinkles for the bachas.
Correct. So
Yeah,
we
yeah.
are going to dip this in mayo
Yeah.
and properly.
Yeah, put more. Yeah.
And then I'm going to dip this in save.
Yeah, superb.
Yeah?
Oh, very nice.
Cute.
Superb.
Go
Bahut
for it.
acha. I'll tell you what I want to do first. I want to first do a little bit of mayo inside.
Okay.
And then do a little chaat masala so that, you know, the cone has really nice flavor.
All
और
through.
फिर उसके बाद में हम ये करेगा ये
Karega, chalo.
वो
ये स्पून लीजिए.
हाँ. और अंदर
This is like savory cornetto, huh?
yeah, correct.
Give me an idea.
हाँ.
If I don't want to get these cones from ready-made cones, what do I do?
I think you could use a papad cone.
Nice.
Yeah. You could even, you know, the samosa patti.
Patti.
I think instead of, then don't put anything inside it, but make it, use that and then deep fry that so you sort of get a cone.
Nice, but you
from
need
that.
those cone molds.
Yeah, you need the cone mold.
Right.
Yeah.
Interesting.
And then you're sorted.
Interesting.
Yeah,
Interesting.
pretty much.
Come. Next.
So then I've done that, a little chaat masala. So I sprinkle it. I just keep on turning this so,
Interesting, huh? So
that
whole thing will have
yeah,
flavors.
will have flavor. Abhi, ye or ye. Ta-da.
I can also then put a little bit of mayo inside. No?
Yeah, you can if you want to. Then you can put save again. Very nice.
Okay, chalo, next.
Now,
Ragda you
हाँ,
put in.
Ragda, but for me, I think it's, don't stress about the sequence, but don't take it lightly also.
Can you say that in Hindi?
ये आप टेंशन मत लो कौन सा कभी
पहले अंदर क्या जाएगा?
हाँ और कभी कौन सा बाद में.
Okay.
और आपको अगर मक्कई अच्छा लगता है तो मक्कई और डालो. पहले डालो मक्कई और फिर बाद में ऊपर भी डालो मक्कई.
Okay,
Easy,
okay.
simple.
Tell me, Irfan.
हाँ.
Suddenly, in the middle of this pandemic, you started doing these viral Hindi videos. What happened? Why?
You know, I've always had to explain stuff to all my chefs in Hindi with my bad Hindi, and luckily nobody ever laughed. And I was like, okay, you know, since everyone does content in Hindi and really good Hindi, and everyone does content in English, and I was like, why don't I sit and explain it to everybody the way I used to do it to my chefs? And
Yeah.
and so apparently everyone loves it, and so I said, you know, why not do that? It's I think it's a fun thing to do. I think during the pandemic it was important to make people smile.
Right.
And when the first few videos went out and everyone loved it, I just said, you know, why not?
I hope people love this one.
I'm sure.
Okay,
इसका taste भी हाँ हम रगड़ा डाला, अभी हम दही डालेगा. Correct.
Correct, dalo.
हाँ और
Pyaz.
हाँ प्याज. हम कांदा बोलने वाला था लेकिन हम
Very
प्याज
Bombay,
बोलेगा.
very
हाँ.
Bombay.
प्याज, टमाटर,
टमाटर. अब थोड़ा मकाई डालो तो अच्छा
हाँ.
कलर का
हाँ,
कलर आएगा.
मकई. हाँ और हम लोग का हमारा एक्चुअल फेवरेट है ये कच्चा कैरी.
Kacha curry is the bomb.
Yeah, it's the best. It's just really super, super, super. Now I'm going to put a little bit of chutney.
Acha, give
हाँ.
me some ingredients here.
Oh yeah, sorry. Dahi, प्याज, टमाटर,
प्याज,
हाँ और अभी हाँ
टमाटर,
ये चटनी और अरे वो हमारा पनीर कहाँ गया?
पीछे थे.
हाँ थैंक यू. तो थोड़ा सा इमली का
Need some
चटनी.
paneer?
हाँ पनीर.
Basically, go for it. Like you can add whatever and whatever layer.
It doesn't matter. आप इसमें भी डालो थोड़ा.
Okay. Nice crunchy they've become.
Yeah, very nice. And tastes super. So we've got this.
Put some chutney,
Yeah.
meetha chutney, curry
I'm putting a little more dahi.
for color.
Yeah, for color. And dahi is always nice, right? In a chaat. Yummy. I'm adding a little more paneer because I think this paneer really came out
Basically,
very,
you've
very
taken
well.
all the fillings and put them to like
Yeah,
twice.
I have. If you have space.
To eat or to fill this cone?
No, to fill to fill this cone. But you know what we also need to add to this?
Chaat masala.
Chaat masala
And mirchi powder.
Maybe grated cheese.
Cheese, nice. That'd
Yeah,
be nice.
if you add grated cheese to this, you know, why not?
Actually, so we'll have to call for more grated cheese. Little bit of mirchi powder, I would add.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Superb. Oh, this is absolutely brilliant. And it looks so good.
Savory cornetto.
Yeah. It looks
Can
fabulous.
we get some cheese, please?
Yeah, there you go.
Amul cheese.
Yeah. Amul cheese, Amul butter. Best. So I'm going to put a lot.
There's something so street style about this, right?
Yeah, I know.
Amul cheese, dahi, mayo.
And if you want to put some cheese inside also. Okay, this is killer. This is really superb.
Sweet. So now that we are done making this,
Yeah.
I still have a bunch of few more questions for you. I promise I won't make you talk in Hindi too much. There's
Okay.
a special chaat bar where we are going to go and eat our chaats.
Okay.
So will you come?
Yeah, of course.
While I made that chart really simple for Irfan, I don't think I'm going to do that with these questions. So Irfan, ready?
Yep,
For my questions?
ready.
You have to try to be rapid. Fire, not fire, doesn't matter. Try to be rapid.
Okay, done.
Okay. If you had to have only 3 masalas in your kitchen, which ones would they be?
Malwani masala, chaat masala.
Okay. Hey, that should be my
Yeah, that
answer.
should be yours.
Can you like pick another one?
Malwani masala, I said. Then I wouldn't say garam masala,
Okay.
but you don't want not what I don't want. You want what I want. I will have a chettinad masala. Obviously, very South Indian thing. And I'll have a sambar masala.
Not bad. Okay, what's worse? Someone who walks into your kitchen at 10:50 while the kitchen is closing at 11, or someone making numerous alterations to your dish? What's the worst customer?
The one who makes numerous alterations to the
Aiyo.
dish.
What's like the worst one you had
God.
so far? Like, tell me the worst memory of this.
I've just had people trying to teach me how to cook.
Okay.
I have had people
just
who
did
have
Kinda.
No, you're okay. You're allowed. But yeah, people are just sort of, and I'm like, why have you even come here? You know, just let me do what I do. You're here for a reason,
Ghar
right?
pe kha lo.
Yeah, exactly. You can do what you want at home, but don't do it
Okay,
at our
then
place.
who's your dream guest? Like, what's a well-behaved dream guest?
Who comes, eats, says thank you very much, I love the food, and who chats, of course, a little
And
bit.
doesn't ask for like gluten-free, dairy-free.
Yeah, so you do
In
have a
general,
few people
free.
who have, yeah, exactly, yeah.
Which dish on the soda bottle opener wala's menu is the most difficult to make according to you, and why? The most complex one.
So I don't know if it's complex, but the one dish that I really like, and I think it's tough to do, is the smoked aubergine patio.
Nice.
Because to get the patio masala correct,
How would you explain patio in Hindi?
patio, kanda, टमाटर और सिरका और गुड़.
Bad, you
हाँ.
know, sirka, the Hindi word for
Correct,
vinegar.
na? Very good, na?
impressed.
So they use this cola vinegar.
The typical Parsi vinegar.
Exactly, and the balance is so important to get the sweet and the khatta correct.
Right.
And then the whole smoking of the aubergine is key, because it just gives it a totally different dimension. So you need to be able to make sure that bengan is smoked absolutely spot on.
Sweet. Well, that's a very interesting one. Okay,
Yeah.
rate these iconic Mumbai restaurants in the order of your preference. Swati Snacks, Kayani, and K. Rustam. 3 iconic places.
Well, Swati,
Okay,
okay, K. Rustam,
nice.
and Kayani.
Kayani, okay. What's the funniest moment you've had in the kitchen?
In the kitchen or outside the kitchen?
It could be in the
So I'll
restaurant.
tell you the funniest moment. So somebody had once said that there's a guest who wants to meet you, and so you should come and say hi. And there were 2 ladies standing there, and I went straight up to the one who didn't want to meet me, and I said, it's so nice to see you again. And this person from the back kept on kicking me, saying, not that one, not that one. And that was embarrassing. That was funny. That was
I can imagine
embarrassing.
you getting into that
Yeah,
spot.
I just meet so many people. I didn't know who it was. I just assumed it would have been that
the
person.
pretty one.
Okay.
I'm guessing. Okay, what's your go-to snack while working in the kitchen?
I used to taste everything, and then I started making sure that I didn't taste everything because I just eat like a pig. But kakadi for sure.
Like you snack on like cucumber.
Yeah, cucumber. Yeah,
Nice.
yeah. Because otherwise you're picking on
So
too many
healthy,
things.
but
yeah,
that's
yeah.
so healthy. Okay, do you have a favorite cookbook?
Australia Women's Weekly. You know, when we started out, way back, which is a long time ago. We didn't have the internet, and we didn't have, and so a lot of our
We
inspiration.
didn't have the internet. You're saying like you're like 100 years old.
Well, almost. So yeah, but you know, I'm halfway there. But so the thing is, we didn't, honestly, it came so much later, and so the only references that we had were all these magazines which were coming in from abroad, and a lot of them were the Australian Women's Weekly,
And they'd have recipes in there.
very good recipes.
So you like cut and keep?
Well, I had the books, and then
Okay.
finally my wife made me chuck everything out.
Okay, what kind of music do you listen to in the kitchen?
Retro, English retro.
Can you sing a line?
No, I can sing in Marathi, but you don't want
Come
me
on,
to sing in
Well,
Marathi.
give me one line. Give me one line.
Of the songs that I would
Any
sing?
song. Give me one line. Give me one line.
I don't know.
Give me
Staying
one-
alive, staying alive.
That's what we're trying to do here.
Yeah.
That's what every chef will say in this time.
I know, seriously.
Like just trying to stay
Seriously,
alive. you
Yeah,
know?
yeah.
Okay, sweet. What's that one dish that you hate cooking? Just like hate it. Please don't, if you say that cone chaat, I'm gonna ask you to leave.
No, the cone chart I love when we have to like it, yeah. I don't know. There's nothing that I don't like chapatis. I cannot make chapatis to save my life. So it's not a dish, but it's a, you
It's
know,
a
I
dish.
just, yeah,
It
I
is a
can't,
dish.
I
Okay.
can't make chapatis, no.
Okay, would you rather lose your bandana or your mustache?
My bandana. I've tried taking my mustache off and I look horrible. Trust me.
Okay. Pick only one. Speak in Hindi in your kitchen only in Hindi, or would you rather use hand signals? Only hand signals. You could either do one.
Speak in Hindi. You can't give galis with hand signals.
You can. Actually, you can.
बहुत important है हिंदी में.
Gali dena.
हाँ, और बोलने के लिए भी.
Okay. Favorite staff meal?
Oh, bindi, cauliflower,
And?
dal,
Okay.
chawal.
Nice. Now this question, I don't know why everybody keeps thinking you are Parsi. Irfan, there's actually a question, is it, what's one Parsi food that not many people know about but it's delicious? Tell me.
That not too many people know about.
But it's delicious.
I would think the paneer which they do, it's called
Patranu paneer.
No,
Then?
that's patranu
Topli
machi.
paneer.
Topli paneer. Topli
Topli
paneer.
paneer.
Nice, soft, such good
It's like a
texture.
baby's cheek.
Very good, very nice.
Your favorite food account to follow on Instagram? It could be a restaurant also.
That's a tough one because I like so many.
Tell me one. Top
so
three.
it's
I'll give you three.
very tough to.
I'll give you three.
The Bombay Canteen, Qualia,
Nice.
stand your tiffin room.
Nice. Okay. One thing you hate about Bombay but you still never want to change it.
Street food.
Yeah.
Dirty, it's horrible, but once you've lived in Bombay and you've eaten that, you have a stomach of steel. And
Steel.
you are sorted.
Best food experience you've had, you have to tell me that, but in a third language, not English, not Hindi, another language. Last one, and after that we'll give you a hamper and you can leave. But if you do this well, in the camera.
Third language, so I'm going to speak in Filipino, Tagalog.
Oh, now,
Yeah,
damn, I didn't
see.
catch you there. I thought you'll do Marathi.
Ah.
Okay, go for it.
Marathi is bad, but, and my one food experience,
That you love,
yeah.
in a third language.
Pumunta ako sa isang restaurant sa Chennai. Ang pangalan ng restaurant
You could
ay
just be abusing all of
Savera.
us.
Yeah, you don't know, right? Kalpaka was the name of the restaurant. Oh, such good food. It's maliit na lugar at yung pagkain nandyan sobrang masarap. Okay?
Not bad,
Good,
Irfan. On that note, it was amazing to have you on set.
It was a pleasure to be here. Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank
and
you
I
so
wish
much.
you come back soon.
I will,
Thank
100%.
you. We are done.
Thank you.
If you're impressed with Irfan's chart, his Hindi and his Filipino, catch me next week with more chart and another guest.